My name is Jacob, I'm from Germany and I'm a camper at Princeton Photo Camp. I learned a lot about photography and I met a lot of new friends.
They walk in on Monday knowing nothing about photography, having never held a camera in their hands, and by the time they leave on Friday, they're doing art.
It's an opportunity in a lot of ways for them to get their first exposure to photography.
The camp really enabled me to see more, look at angles differently. Also, it really helped me with my editing.
We have an activity that we usually do during the middle of the week where we teach them how to take portraits of each other. And for that, it's really important for them to actually talk to each other, get to know each other, ask each other questions.
I think this camp is not just about photography. You learn so much about photography, but it's also the campers kind of making new friends and talking to people.
And then I didn't really know about all the settings in the camera. So I felt it was really helpful to learn about actually how shutter speed and aperture and all that stuff works. So now I feel more confident that I'll be able to capture the shot in the way I want to.
I think it's just a good place to get started with photography.
And it helped me see photography in a whole new way.
Even if you're not interested in photography in the beginning, this will make you want to do it for the rest of your life. Honestly, I would recommend it to everyone.
Yeah, I honestly agree with that.